see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, the numbers are aligned in the left side. The numbers are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Along with every number character, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. We are going to use two variables here, I is equal to 0 and k is equal to 5. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. Here at the end of every iteration we are going to reduce k value by 1 and we are going to increase I value by 1. So here k value will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use a nested while loop. For that, we require a variable called j. J is equal to 0 while j less than k, and at the end of nested while loop we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the result. Print j plus 1 and separate the numbers with the space character. After completing the iteration of the inner while loop, we are going to print the numbers in the next line. For that, we are going to use print method. So save the file and run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here we are able to print the required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.